Hi everyone, welcome to TYG Trading. Disclaimer, this is not advice neither invitation to make an investment. Everything is done here for the purpose of education only. Trading is an activity that involves with risk of losing funds in your trading account, fully or partially. Always do your own research before making any financial decision. Welcome back to my channel. Here is price action analysis for AUD dollar. As usual, we start our analysis from higher time frame. As uncertainty is still aboard, it will reflect in the price movement of indexes and commodities. Today, we just focus on technical analysis. Looking for major structure, we use a daily chart. From the daily chart, we can identify high and low. There are higher high and higher low. So the market is under a bullish trend. Our focus is on these three areas as support where demand is probably high. Next, we move to lower time frame to get more information. From 4-hour chart, we get more details. We have 4 support areas. There are also 3 consolidation areas. We identify a gap from the last consolidation area. This is the area we need to pay attention to. It can be a future correction or reversal area. So, what is our setup here? Setup will depend on our trading profile. Here, I saw how to plan a conservative setup. The rules for conservative are safe and simple. We focus on lower time frame. Then, let's move to 1-hour chart. From 1-hour chart, we have a consolidation area. Our support and resistance are here. From support and resistance, we can see the support and resistance have been tested few times, so they are no longer exclusive. The plan is we wait for the price to break those areas. Let the market show us their movement first. When we look at the collection of high and low, the market seems to be turning around to fill the gap from higher time frame. That's all for AUD dollar. The drop of gold from its remarkably high price was still in dispute by many. It was a combination of US dollar strengthening, profit-taking, and political reasons such as the Fed chair nominations. Let's set aside fundamentals. We focus on technical charts. From the daily chart, we can identify several resistances, the past resistances and latest. They tell us the market is still on a bullish trend. The recent fall is still respecting the previous resistance, turned to support now. The support has to be monitored to know market developments in relation to the current situation. If the correction becomes a turning point for the bullish trend. Next, we move to 4-hour chart for having a deeper understanding. In the 4-hour chart, we start our analysis from our support. Nothing much we can have except the correction gets into a market consolidation phase. It also forming a symmetrical triangle. It indicates market indecisiveness. Again, we have to wait for breakout before planning any positions. My conservative setup will be easier to develop when price has broken out from this area. That's all for gold. The last one is EURUSD. From the daily chart, we can see EURUSD trend is still bullish. This week, the market is getting correction. let the price step back at the previous resistance as support. Let's move to look at the details on the 4-hour chart. From 4-hour chart, we can see price has landed according to support from daily chart. I will focus on this area. When there is a breakout in this area, a setup can be planned. Since the market is bullish, mostly a long position is favorable. The setup will be this one. Remember, this is only an example. Do your own research before making any positions. That's all for today. Enjoy your weekend. If you enjoy my contents, feel free to subscribe, and a like will be very much appreciated as well. You may also leave questions in the comment section. I will try my best to answer honestly.